Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery. In BL tonight, we're going to talk about FESCO Limited, trading in their shares on the buy side, what we're accustomed to see. Trend is your friend, folks. FESCO added again a director buying up 80,000 shares on September 23rd, 2021. Now, Kingston Wharves is saying that on September 23rd, 2021, shares held by its employee share option plan, popularly called in the marketplace ESOP program, were slotted to 2 officers, totaling 100,000 shares. Now, it's not a huge amount or a material amount, but the point is that creates wealth. We're seeing a lot of companies come out with this sort of advisory now, with Cinco, Barita coming out with that massive headline earlier this week, and now Kingston Wharves here as well. Now, Elite Diagnostics Limited growing the top line here in their audited results by 15% for the year end June 2021. The radiology company here, MRI units, CT units or CT scans, coming out here with the revenue growth, which is a good sign to see, but the net profits faltering for 2021 versus 2020. Now, the management discussion analysis, or the MD&A, did explain it quite well, that it had some breakdowns, some equipment issues in their new location in St. Anne's Bay. They do go on to say, from a good news standpoint, for the Ligony location or branch, they've just bought a new MRI machine, and that should get commissioned or get going for actually the first quarter 2022, and that should make the business a lot more efficient going forward. Next up tonight, we got NCB Financial Group here trading in their shares, and it's on the buy side. Quite a material trade here. Connected Party buying up 2.5 million shares on September 28th, 2021. And once you look at that market, the bid queue, the ask queue, quite a bit of support for NCB shares, insider buying, connected parties, directors, managers, so forth, at the 127, 128 level over the past few weeks, month or so. Last up tonight, we got a little bit of a different story, an interesting one. RevUp Caribbean has launched September 24th. It's a business incubator for SMEs. First Angels, Jamaica here, have launched this RevUp Caribbean, get this thing going just the other day, and it's going to be supporting early and growth stage companies by establishing a virtual incubation program aimed at equity-seeking SMEs. They're going to, First Angels has deployed millions of US dollars into the marketplace. Lots of big-name directors, Sandra Glasgow, big name in the marketplace on a couple of public company boards. Joe Matalon has been involved, continues in this. A few new names also, Mark Kovinsky, associated with a venture capital private equity company, so some international names and continued local names. But the point is, the market needs this. Sometimes you go into a bank, it's difficult as a SME to access whether it's equity or a loan, more so on the debt side. And now this is coming up. It's a nice brand name, RevUp Caribbean. We'll see how it does, but the market needs more of these incubators, probably a little bit of a mix between the Branson Center and a few other incubators out there. I'm Mark Croskery. This is Business Live.